Dollar Tree, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Dollar Tree, come haul with me with Dollar Tree. Woohoo! It's gonna be a Dollar Tree haul. And welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Today I'm excited to bring you a Canadian Dollar Tree haul. So I'm just going to get right into it. I found these ornaments. They're called from Crafter Square. They're nothing new. I think they've been around. It's from the Halloween crafting section. It says Eek. And they were only 50 cents. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them very well, but that's what they are for 50 cents, so I picked them up. And then I got this darling, what's it called? Decor, lights up and says trick or treat emotion detector. So let's just turn it on. See if I can turn it on.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me
something good to eat. So I picked this little guy, and it lights up. So I was excited for that. And I also picked out this from the Halloween decor section. It's a piece of decor, and it's this darling, if it could even be darling, this darling little spider. Ooh, it's coming right at you. So I picked this up for a video coming to you soon. Coming at you soon. And I guess since we're staying in the Halloween realm, I picked up this spider web. Ooh. The spider web. So I got that. And I also picked up, it says Happy Halloween. This little sign that says Happy Halloween. But I'm going to redo this. I've been looking for this for a while. We might have had it on our Dollar Trees, but I've missed it. So I finally saw them and wanted to pick it up. So I'll be redoing this for myself. And I also picked up another essential organizer with the lid. There's like 3 compartments. And I picked this up before, and I did a little video, so I'll link it down below to show you. I just needed another one to do the same thing, because I'm getting more of what I used, and so I wanted to put them in this nice clear container, because like I said, there's 3 of them in there. So got another one of those. I'll put my video to that down below if you want to check it out, if you hadn't had a chance to see it. And I also picked up these pizza pans. I actually got 2. The last time I went to Dollar Tree, they didn't have them. They were totally out. And I'm not using these for pizzas. I'm going to be, I use these for a DIY, and I actually already did a DIY with these. If I can remember, I'll link it down below. Not my idea, but I just put my own little spin on it, I guess. But I needed some more of these to do some more DIYs with, so I picked that up. I also found this, I think it was in the wedding section. It's the Crafter Squares. There's 2 pieces, and it says mini wooden magnetic sign. It says, and yes, I do. It's from the wedding section, but it's these wooden heart pieces here. It has none, but I thought I would use these in my, like I said, I'm going to be making some wedding binder things, so I thought that would be great to put in there, journals, or whatever you call them. So I just got these. I needed these. Baby's Choice. I don't have a baby, but they're aloe scented wipes, and you get 60 in here. So I got those. I couldn't believe it. They had the Pop Shop cotton candies back. And these are awesome. I did a review on these, and they're so good. So I picked 2 more up of those. I got this Powerade. It's in mixed berry flavored. It's a repurchase for me. I always pick this up. Well, not always, but a lot of times I pick it up. And I also, this is another repurchase. I got the Supreme Traditional Chicken Wing Sauce. And I did a review on this as well. This is really good if you like, it's like a buffalo sauce for your chicken wings. If you don't like spicy, then I wouldn't recommend this. But check out my review if you'd like. I did that. I'll try to link it down below if I can remember. I picked up another bag of these caramel apple pops. Artificial flavor Tootsie green apple candy. These are really yummy and great for this time of year. Any time of year. My husband really likes them, so I got them for him, actually. I do like them too, but he prefers. And then I got some more of the Jack Link's original for my husband. I got, picked up 4 for him, so he could have. So I got those. I also got, I'm not sure how to say this, the name brand on here. I don't know if it's a name brand. Flavored assortment of 10 tea bags. So it's it comes in a little container. So I picked those. I picked those up. And I also picked up, they had cotton candy there, like it looks like somewhat freshly made cotton candy. So of course I had to pick up a bag of that. So I'll have to try that. And my friend here on YouTube, Crystal here, she has picked up these the Gourmet Select pasta salads before, so I thought I'd like to try them. And I got it in the ranch and bacon. It just says just add mayo, so I'm excited to try this. This would be good something for the summertime, but last time I went to the Dollar Tree, I don't think they had any. They had this one and a one that you put like Italian dressing on, which sounds good too, but I just picked this one up to try. So thank you, Crystal. Can't wait to try that. So next up I have something that was new at my local Dollar Tree this week. It's called Pure Clean. That's the brand name, I guess. All-purpose wipes. And it says big value 35 wipes for germs-free environments. Superb results throughout the home. Extra strong, quick and easy. So I got 2 of these. I probably should have picked up more. So that's what it looks like. So if you see these, you might want to pick them up. I don't know if they're any good though, but I had to get 2. So I picked those up. Another repurchase, the Ultra Shine 10-pack dish detergent packs. I'm just trying to stock up. So I picked up another one of these. I use those for my dishwasher. Also, another repurchase is this Wizard Liquid Dish Soap Apple Blossom. So I'm trying to stock up, and I'm using this now, and it does well, I think. And of course, you've seen me haul these many a time, and we were out, so I picked up 2 boxes. The Goodsense flap ties large trash bags, and you get 7 in a bag. And like I said, I got 2 boxes because we were out. These are probably not the best buy for garbage bags, but they fit my trash can, so that's why I get them perfectly. So pick those up. And then I believe the last item is the Surfress 45 sack zipper seal sandwich bags. It's like the, sorry. So there you have it, my darlings. Let me know what you're finding at your Dollar Trees. I'd love to hear. And I hope you enjoyed the haul. And I did pick up some Christmas items, but I'm going to do a separate haul for those from the Dollar Tree. But thank you so much for joining me here today at Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope you're staying safe and doing well. And remember, believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo, my darlings. Thank you for all your love and support and for watching. Toodles! Toodaloo!